Hi and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back once again to Technology Information Channel. Today in this video, in this class, we are going to talk about the diesel engines, under frequency, over frequency, unstable RPM, fluctuation of the RPM, up and down, slow increase and decrease by itself. What is the actual problem in engine and how to check step by step the engine to fix the problem and stabilize the engine. Before the starting the video, I small request to all newcomers. If you are first time on my channel, please make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification to getting more latest updates for you. So let's get started. The problem of the diesel engine or diesel generator under frequency on over frequency. Okay. Especially the diesel engine is operated and controlled by two type system of the engine speed. One is electrical control, one is mechanical control. The diesel engine speed and RPM is controlled from the fuel injection pump. Okay. And also controlled by the governor. Okay. Governor is adjust the fuel for the rated RPM to control the engine speed to operate by the rated or set point RPM. Okay, when your engine is problem unstable RPM, fluctuation RPM, or under frequency or over frequency, what could be the possible causes and how to check step by step to fix the problem. Okay, first of all, the first step is to check the fuel lines. Okay, make sure your fuel line is correct and okay. Okay, no any broken and cracked pipes. All the pipe connection from the diesel tank to the primary and secondary fuel filter and then to the fuel priming pump and then to the fuel injection pump should be tight, no leakage and good condition. Okay, after that fuel line is being checked. Okay, after that fuel filters, make sure your fuel filter is proper maintained time to time and a good manufactured fuel filter you have been installed in your engine. Okay, this is the second steps. Check that all fuel filters should be clean and replaced new ones. Okay, and fuel filter is tight and the mounting pin of the fuel pump. Fuel filter. No, because the fuel filter have here is a gasket. Okay, rubber band gasket. Okay, this means to tie the fuel filter to the end point and there is a no leakage. Okay, in the fuel system. When we have a fuel leakage or lose the fuel filter and the filter housing, that means that's suck the air during the operation of the engine, and engine getting air in a fuel line, and the causes of the engine misfire and fluctuation the RPM. Okay, make sure the fuel filter is good and tight and clean. Okay, and no leakage. After that, step number three. Step number three is fuel pump and fuel injection. Okay, the fuel pump is in and return. Okay, two lines. The return line has a manual fuel injection pump system. Here is a banjo board which the spring loaded and ball. Okay, sometimes this spring is lose the function, and this valve is stuck open here, and it's not pressurized the fuel in a system because the fuel pressure is dropped in a fuel injection pump, that's cause unstable RPM. Okay, remove and check and inspect this. Make sure this banjo board with the spring loaded and ball should be okay in good condition. Okay, the spring and ball is in a good condition and working condition. Okay, and after that, check the fuel priming pump. Okay, which we press by hand. Check the fuel priming pump. If we have electrically, remove and check by bench test. Check the fuel pressure of the electronic fuel pump and check this fuel vacuum pump by hand check and verify this fuel priming pump. Okay, crank the engine, start the engine and crack step by step each injector's nut to check the engine sound and behavior. Okay, when which injector you crack, engine sound not be changed, not be any moment, that's mean this injector is not working. Okay, if the engine is start fluctuate and vibrate, that's mean this injector is working. Because and now I crack this injector, engine start vibrating, that's mean this injector is okay. Okay, check all injectors step by step. Okay, and finally check the throttle linkage of the governor. Make sure that has been tied in okay condition. Okay, after that check the turbo. Make sure the turbo turbine fins both are rotating properly, not too much play, no leakage, and good condition. After that, check the intercooler. Okay, and intercooler pipes. Make sure no any cracks, no any loosage. All the clumps is tight and proper and good condition, and the oil cooler should be clean and no any leakage. And a intercooler. Okay. After that, check the air filter. Okay, air cleaner filter. Make sure it's maintained in good condition and clean. If you found it's dirty or clogged, you should replace this new one. Okay, This is all step by step checkup of the engine, unstable RPM or under frequency or out frequency. If you have further any question, please write comment below in comment section. I will make another video for you specially. Thanks for watching my videos. See you all next time. Goodbye.